Hi, this is Sandra. My boss needs HR to provide him with the clocked work hours of every colleague in our BU by email, so I suggest him using Power Automate Flow. This is a very simple request. Just create a scheduled cloud flow to set the trigger condition for the first or second day of each month, right? But I found it wasn't as straightforward as I thought.
After I started recording each step for uploading to YouTube, I found that you can also ask Copilot to help you with your request. This example is helpful, so I'll also include my test using this example at the end of this video. Let's create from blank and select a schedule cloud flow.
Initially, I thought I could use the recurrence trigger step by setting the interval to 1 month. It seemed very intuitive, right? But I couldn't find where to set the specific day. Then I Googled how to set the trigger condition, such as to be on the first day of each month, but I couldn't find any workable answers. That's why I'm uploading this video to show you my method. It might not be the smartest way, but I hope it's valuable to someone. In fact, using an interval to trigger each day is the correct approach for my case. Here is the formula I used in the trigger condition setting. I mostly Googled what formulas I could use and then tried to modify and combine them. I'm not an expert in Power Automate, so I'll put my formula in the description for your reference. Now, what if I want to avoid triggering and sending this email on the weekend? The trigger date should ideally be on Monday, so what can I set? Here I set my trigger condition to not only check if the day equals 1, but also check if the day of the week is Saturday or Sunday. If the recurring day is Saturday or Sunday, it won't be triggered. So the expression looks like this. Another question arises. If the first day of the month is a Saturday or Sunday, then it couldn't be triggered. It should be triggered on the next weekday. Otherwise, the email for that month won't be sent, and my boss won't get data from HR. Therefore, I added 2 expressions in the trigger conditions to check if yesterday was the first day of the month and it was Sunday, or if the day before yesterday was the first day of the month and it was Saturday. Finally, I combined these 3 trigger conditions into one formula using the OR expression. It worked after my test.
This is one of the Power Automate examples created by Copilot to send an email on the first day of each month. This one is too complicated, so let's look at another one. This one is simple, so I'll use it. You can see it triggers every day and uses a condition to check if the day is the first or not. So you can change the day to whatever you want and add other rules. For example, I want to avoid sending emails on weekends, so the condition rules look like this for your reference.
That's it for today's experience sharing video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.